Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn daily on the Binance application step by step. And our first step is going to be opening up the Binance app. And once you've opened up the Binance app, you head over to the wallet section right here. And once at the wallet section, you switch from overview to your spot wallets, where you simply click on BUSD. And upon clicking BUSD, we're going to be clicking on Binance Earn. Once that's done, we're going to be clicking on Simple Earning, or it's almost the same thing as Auto Invest, but let's use Simple Earning for now. Once on Simple Earning, you scroll down and you subscribe to one of the available earning platforms, BUSD. As you can see here, we found BUSD. You click on BUSD and you click on the amount of BUSD you'd like to subscribe. That's to stake. It's actually staking. It's almost the same thing as staking. So we're going to be trading 2 BUSD. Okay guys, and once you've placed in 2 BUSD, you simply scroll down, click on I have read and agree to the Binance Simple Earn Service Agreement, click on confirm, and now we've subscribed 2 BUSD to our daily subscription. So this daily subscription earns us daily income on the Binance Earn. And from here we head back to our wallet and you can see how much you've earned. Just like that, you can see how much you've earned in the past day, and your reward will keep pouring in as much as you'd like. Okay guys, and once you've used your BUSD, once you've placed your BUSD, you simply scroll from your spot wallet right here. You simply scroll to the earn, and now you can see how much you've invested, $17, and you can see how much you've made so far. Alright guys, and with that we've been able to earn, and with that we can now earn daily on the Binance application. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.